Consumerism fallout? Not me. I won't set up tool after tool after tool after tool and interconnect all of them with certain names and processes that need to be learned and all those jars left unopened. Never me. Never you. Why do we do this to ourselves? Well, one of the reasons is we're learning from young people, and young people have been around the internet since their birth. Those of us who the internet didn't hit us till our, mid-20s to 40, when the internet hits you at a different time, you're learning that, and you're learning all these tech-related tools. And all those tech-related tools that are needed to succeed, with the modern digital entrepreneur program. Of course, how many of them are needed? That's what you and I need to do, and we're doing that together. Yeah, that's right. Here on Digital Freedom, what we're doing is we're taking a 360-degree look on making your digital future one where you can contribute greatly going in, and then it is able to contribute back at you quite a bit. But more importantly than just what you put in and what you put out, is there some authenticity. You're able to choose what makes you best. Knowing what makes me best is to climb and bring people along with me. And so that's what we're doing. I'm climbing and you're climbing with me. There are obstacles, and the number one obstacle that I gave myself was consumerism. I bought into, I'm going to need to get a new camera and learn how to use it, and get a new gimbal just to make sure I can make good, steady shots, and learn how to use that and integrate those systems. And of course, these videos have to go somewhere, so you got to put them on YouTube and school and other platforms, and rightfully so. A lot of people are doing it, and it makes sense to really contribute and grow a community. And then the book that I wrote, I won't get into the details on that, just in writing as well. All those things are, frankly, those are a lot of unopened jars. And the book that I did write was coming from the heart, but it was also in regards to pairing old school behavior, foundation building behavior, with more of an attention-based medium like cryptocurrency. So it took some education on my part. So there's a lot of open jars. I'm using that term on purpose because that might be something you're feeling. Any of us who have a little bit of burnout going on or whatnot, or needing to make a pivot professionally because the one you've chosen or the one that has been rewarding you just seems to be doing so less so. There's another one, and that's authenticity, and I mentioned that earlier, but frankly, the most important piece for me is that I am climbing and I'm bringing somebody along with. Otherwise, it just feels kind of me-centric, and that's not at all what this is about. In fact, what we will be doing is we're going to be interviewing people that do have a successful monetization of online, digital assets and digital processes. And the reason why I say processes is because services still indeed can be taken care of online as well, not just acquisition of products. And what I'm here to do is provide some online education, spin together or weave together, let's call it, a background that's very strong in business building and utilizing of systems, and weaving that into current stuff that's actually working and serving people well. And I'm certain there's a person or two out there, you being one of them perhaps, that has suffered a little bit of burnout, needs a pivot, is looking to recapture some of that retirement income that perhaps was hit pretty hard, as ours was, by the mortgage meltdown and housing bubble that affected 3 of our businesses and our properties too. So bummer there. Happened to a lot of people. This pivot is necessary. And frankly, the very first video I talked a little bit about the why. I have my why. I just share with you a little bit deeper. You have a why too. Let's work on that together. We can do that either through the comments section, or you can reach out to me directly. Just take a look at my channel and you'll see how to get there. But I am looking forward to working with you. We'll talk to you soon.